Whether you're converting to a floor shifter or simply replacing your old console base with a new one, you likely have a slot to put in a new clock. Finding a good console clock can be challenging. You'll be happy to hear that we've got one of the highest rated clocks on the market for your Chevelle or El Camino. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino center console clocks. These are designed to fit both automatic and 4-speed console bases. Our clocks are manufactured using a stamped outer metal casing encompassed with a black backing plate and numbers that light up just like the originals. In addition, we include the mounting tab so you'll be able to install your clock easily when working on your console. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.